Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7 and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two options to choose from. The first one is using our contact list and the second is using the dialer settings. Of course I will show you both, so let's begin with tapping on the dialer. Let's go to your contact list and let's tap on the contact you want to block, for example this one. Just tap on it and click on the three dots icon right here. And as you can see here, we've got block numbers option, so let's tap on it. And now your device is telling you that you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. I don't want to report it as a spam, so if you are ready, tap on block. And as you can see, from now on, this number is blocked. So now let me show you the second option. Let's get back, and now it doesn't really matter if you will be on your contacts, recents or favorites. Tap on the three dots icon right here and choose the settings. And as you can see here, we've got blocked numbers option, so let's tap on it. And this is our blacklist. This is the number we just blocked. Here we've got the unknown option, so we can tap on it in order to turn it on. And from now on, your device will block all incoming calls from unidentified callers. What's more, we can add a phone number manually. Just tap on this option, add a phone number, and tap here, and as you can see, now we can manually type the number we want to block and click on block. And as you can see, it immediately appears on our blacklist, and from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it. So this is from our contact list. Let's tap on unblock and tap on unblock again. Now let's go back to the contacts and let's check. Let's tap here, and as you can see, this phone number is unblocked. So that's all. This is how to block a number in your Realme 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.